Today on Motive Learn we have 11 awesome life hacks for you. Keep pen thieves away. Put a blue ink cartridge in a red pen. No one steals red pens. Shoes smell bad? Put them in the freezer overnight. It will kill the bacteria and get rid of the stink. Swipe left or right on the iPhone calculator to delete the last digit, so you do not have to start all over. If your knife is not sharp and you lack a sharpener, you can use the bottom rim of a ceramic mug to sharpen the blades. Need to remember an item in the morning? Put a picture of it as the background for your phone. If you want to have an exceptional partner, being a good storyteller can help you attract quality people. Before frying, sprinkle a little salt in your pan. This will help keep the oil from splattering. Exhale when your left foot hits the ground to avoid cramps while running. When making tacos, put the cheese on first. It will melt and form a protective layer that keeps the taco shell from breaking apart. When you feel like you are about to yawn, touch the roof of your mouth with your tongue to prevent it. And finally, you can remember the value of pi, 3.141596, by counting each word's letters in, "May I have a large container of coffee?" Thanks for being with us to the end of the video. Consider subscribing and commenting on our video.